Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm here with another makeup tutorial. This one is inspired by Pooja Hegde's makeup look from the song ButtaBomma. ButtaBomma, ButtaBomma. I don't know. Yeah, ButtaBomma. I actually am in love with this look. Thank you so much for suggesting me to do this look. Just pause this video right now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you want to see me smile and if you want to make my day, then do that right now. Okay, now let's get started. I just washed my face with this Dermavive cleanser. I love this cleanser. You must have seen me talking about this cleanser a lot in my videos. That's because you guys really want to know what cleanser, what moisturizer I use, and I think it is very important to let you guys know how I prep my skin before I start my makeup. This is for sensitive skin and I have sensitive skin, so I basically love this one and I've been using this for a very long time and it works great for my skin. Now the moisturizer that I'm going to use is this Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. This is for all skin types and I love this one. I don't need a lot of it and this actually softens and soothes my skin. So I'll just... And it smells amazing. Very fresh. So both the cleanser and the moisturizer, they're available in Amazon and I will mention the links in the description box below. I'll actually mention the links for all the products I use in this video in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So I'm going to use this Pack Pure Hydration Gel and I'm going to mix it with this primer. This is the Lotus Makeup Eco Stay Perfecting Primer. So I'm just going to take a pump of the Pack one, a little bit of the primer, mix the two at the back of my hand and just apply it. So now I have this beautiful glow. Next I'm going to take this NELF Professional Makeup Fixer. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge and I'm just going to spray this. And since it's a finishing spray, it makes your makeup stay longer and also gives a dewy finish to the skin. Now I'm going to take this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, apply it on my face. For my concealer, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. Really love this concealer. I almost forgot about it a couple of months back. I got such good response from you guys when I did my Nayanthara makeup tutorial. I also wanted to do a Telugu actress makeup tutorial, so I was initially thinking about doing a Samantha makeup look, but so many of you suggested me that I do this one. Whatever's left, I'm just gonna go over my eyelids. I'm gonna brighten my under eye area with this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer and just apply 3 dots. This one, which is a shade lighter than my skin tone, to highlight my under eye area. And that gives a very fresh, lifted effect. And I'm going to set it with this LA Girl Pro Powder. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. The brush I'm using is from Nykaa. This is the foundation brush. I'm also going to set my eyelids. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I wanted to try this palette. I used this palette in my previous video. I just used one color from this palette, but I really wanted to try this one. This comes in a case. This is from Tan Beauty and it's called This Is All I Need Eyeshadow Palette. She has got a very like a rosy, dusky rose eyeshadow on her crease. So I'm going to take this shade for my crease area. I'm going to start with my crease area. Really happy that you guys loved the Pride makeup that I did. That was the previous video. If you haven't watched it, then go watch it. The eyeshadow palette, the colors are really pigmented and very smooth to blend. Love this shade. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm also going to dust it very lightly all over my eyelids. So I'm just referring to a picture of her. And I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my lids. The brush I'm going to use is Nykaa. This is the concealer brush, but I'm going to use it on my eyelids. And just dust it in the middle of my eyelids. Now using the previous shade, which is this Dusty Rose one. I'm using the brush E006 by La Cara. And I'm just gonna use it in the outer corner and the inner corner. You know what, this shade isn't working because I think what she has on her eyelids is a little towards the silver side and I've got a little towards the golden, so I'm gonna bring my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I think I have a perfect shade for that. And I'm going to use it on top of this. This is the Makeup Revolution Flawless 4. The shade I was talking about is this one. Now taking E007 from La Cara, I'm going to use the same Dusty Rose shade. Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl. This is in the shade Brown Eyed Girl. Now I'm going to apply this Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. I just applied false lashes and these are the Nykaa Melodrama All You Need Volume Plus Intense Lashes. Now taking the Tan Beauty palette again, I'm going to take this black shade. Now taking my E010 La Cara brush, I'm going to take that black shade and apply it just where the lash starts. So my eyes are done. Now I'm just going to bronze my face. I'm going to take this Nykaa Contour and Highlight Duo in the shade Sizzle Chisel. It's a very, very soft contour. For my contour, I use the F002 from La Cara. Now for the blush, I'm really confused between the Milani one and the Nykaa one. I think I'm going to go for the Milani one. This is the Milani blush in the shade Blossom Time Rose. And for my blush, I'm going to use this Nykaa blush brush. She has got a very, very glowy face. Does not have an intense highlight, so I'm going to use the same palette, the contour palette from Nykaa, and I'm going to use this highlight shade. So taking this La Cara F004 brush, I'm going to take the highlight shade and apply it. And the shade that I applied in the middle of my eyelids and apply it on my brow bone area. Now for the lips, I am going to take this shade. This is from Sugar. This is the Suede Secret Matte Lip Color in the shade Plush Pink. This is no doubt one of my favorite lip shades. I need to line my lips, so I'm taking this Auric High Defined Lip Liner in the shade Pink Passion. I think the look is complete. I love it. This looks very easy. It looks very, very simple. So yeah, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it. Guys, subscribe to my channel because it shows that 70% of my viewers are not yet subscribed to my channel and it breaks my heart. So guys, pause this video right now and go and subscribe. Click on the bell icon. Don't forget to click on the like button also. Comment down below how you liked this one and do suggest me some more looks. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.